Before we begin, none of the information regarding customer names, numbers, or emails are real and are for educational purposes only. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a new customer profile in the Jewelers Flow app. Starting from the dashboard, tap the Customers tab to access your customer list. Once there, select the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen to create a new customer record. You can begin by adding a photo of the customer, either by taking a new picture or selecting one from your device if desired. Next, enter the customer's first and last name. If the customer chooses not to provide an email address, simply select Customer Declines to Provide Email to continue without entering one. Then, enter the customer's phone number. You also have the option to add their street address and birthday, which can be useful for customer outreach and promotional offers. If the customer has any available store credit, enter the amount in the designated field. Once all relevant information has been entered, tap Save to create the customer profile. The new customer will now appear in your customer list and is ready to be used throughout the Jewelers Flow app. That's it. You've successfully added a new customer to the Jewelers Flow app.